Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech updates. Following old Apple tradition, whenever we get shiny new arrivals, it means some beloved devices are about to vanish. Rumor has it the iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max will be retired just a year after their debut, while the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus may bow out completely, leaving the iPhone 16 lineup as the new entry-level choice on Apple's site. Speaking of the wearable products, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 could disappear with the arrival of the Watch Ultra 3, and the Series 10 may be retired to make way for the Series 11. By the way, even if the Watch SE 2 can be potentially cut off too if a newer SE model launches, Apple's life cycle shuffle doesn't stop there. The iPhone 8 Plus and iPhone XS are moving into the vintage zone, while devices like the 5th gen iPad, the 11th-inch MacBook Air, and certain MacBook Pros are already marked obsolete, which means no official repairs or service. Hit that like button and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.